From Oak Ridge High School, we have team 9850E. Joining them in blue is 98126A from Westside High School. Over on the Red Alliance, we have team 1429B from Galena Park. Joining them is 285Z. That's 285Z from Carnegie Vanguard High School. Everybody's just trying to get connected. Okay, I think we're ready to start this match. Referees, ready. Scorekeepers are ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Back. Well, let's see here. We still have some movement. Chaos is trying to do something. Not quite. All right, so let's start the teleop. 3, 2, 1, go. We got our first mobile goal scorer, 285Z. Carnegie Vanguard High School, very quick with their scorer. Okay, we got about 30 seconds left in this match. Red Alliance has a pretty big advantage here. Blue Alliance is struggling a little bit, but they're trying. So it looks like 285Z has done all the work they can do, so they're just gonna park. That's a smart move. 3, 2, 1. And that's the match. Remember, in the qualification, if you are up by a lot, it's good to score a few points for your partner to keep your ranking high. Okay, that was match 12. We really need all the teams in match 13 to be on the field.